Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to be harvesting the potatoes. They have grown for 3 to 4 months. We started with just a few potatoes. We put it inside with some soil, and then we put some water in too. And then we kept when it was growing a lot, then we kept topping it up with more soil and compost. So now when they die, we have to flip it out, you have to pick the potatoes from the soil inside.
Wow, there are so many potatoes.
Wow.
You can see one. You can barely see one like over there. Whoa, there are so many potatoes.
There are so many potatoes. Now we're gonna have more. So how much are we gonna have? We're gonna have so many. Now let's try picking one. Whoa! Whoa! Let's put a few more.
Look at this potato.
Okay, 1. Now we have 2. Okay, now
The count will go on forever.
Now we have 3. Oh, this is a very big one. No, this is like 1.
It's
2,
not just
3,
one potato.
4,
There's
5,
3 potatoes.
6. These are 6 potatoes. Now this one is giant. This one is the 7th.
Wow, such a big potato.
Oh, there's one hiding here in the soil. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There are so many more.
9.
Look at this one. Look at this one. This must be a big one.
Oh, okay, let me just get this one out. This is 10. Now, what's here? Yeah, this is the big one. 12. This is 11. 12.